I was the one that filled out his thing. Well, I get
This can is the big winner. It has a whole bunch of tickets in it. Ooh, none.
This one doesn't have any.
what was that for?
Okay.
Well, anything if that didn't have anything, then I'll take it back and we'll bring it back for the Christmas thing.
Okay.
I mean for the you know what I mean.
Okay, we're getting serious now.
Oh, we're getting up to the little bitty plane. Little duck, is that a ducted fan or what?
This is a F-16. I think it is.
Ducted fan, yeah.
Small ducted fan. And we want to thank Levon Adams. Both of these planes, actually 4 of them, were donated to us. So we're going to draw for the F-16.
He was a previous member of our club.
Yes, he was a previous member of the
We
club.
hope he comes back.
Here we go.
This is for
Chuck Baker, did you put a CB on your ticket?
CB. Or,
B, Chuck,
that's it.
Chuck Baker, come on down. Now, if you need someone to help you with these electrics, we can do that. I'm pretty sure you know what. Okay.
So how many things have you won today, Chuck? About 10? Oh, come on now. Fess up.
Yeah, exactly.
Now here's the Jackie C.
Okay, this is for the big boy, the P40. Again, we'd like to thank Levon Adams.
Who's the young man doing the drawing here?
Thomas
What's your first name, Thomas? Or what's your last name?
O'Brien.
Thomas O'Brien doing the drawing here. Doing it for the biggie. I hope this camera's still rolling.
M-A-B.
M-A-B.
Or M-A-D, I can't quite tell. I think it's a B.
Boy, holler it 7 or 8 times.
Mike Belmer.
Aha!
You're in deep doo-doo, buddy, when you take that home.
8 hot dogs left, Mike. 8 hot dogs.
8 hot dogs, folks. Come on, we can down those. It's all yours.
Yes, I'm in deep doo-doo.
Okay. You can do it. It's all yours.
Hey, John.
Yes, sir. 200. 50-50, the raffle and the cash. The food. All 4 things had 200 in it to start with.
So Baker's going for chips and $2.
Wait, you guys want to go look at the house?
Well, they may have got picked over.
That's all right. I'll do this.
Okay, so you need a drink?
Hot dog? Yes, sir. Give me the most burnt one you got.
Okay, $1, $2, $3.
Got one here. Don't worry about it. Pretty burn. I don't know about that. I'll take it to these over here. Watch the wind doesn't grab that.
No kidding. It's getting a little crazy.
Oh, thank God, this is still going. My video is still going. The same camera that I took the video of the last chance flying. I walked all around.
Yeah.
Remember that video I took?
So, there you go. How can you, okay, so what you got?
I got a picture of you with hot dogs.
Oh, they're $1 off. Oh, are they? Okay.
I don't need no plate. Just give me some.
Hey, Brian, when you get a chance, just wrap up the 4 dogs I'm going to get separate from 4 buns. That's all I need. I'm going to let this video go until it quits.
All right, we've got one more thing, the 50-50 raffle.
Oh,
Had time to count it yet.
We're going to have to wait.
Well, he got these brand new $20 bills. They stick together.
Yeah, I know. Are you counting the 50-50 right now?
Well, I'm
You
trying
get-
to get the 200 out of it so we can see what the
Okay, go
what the
ahead and do
split
that.
is.
21.5.
So there's 100.
I'll recount. Well, I'm going to lay. No, I can't lay the camera down. What I'm going to do is set it up like this. I'll train it on Jim to make sure he doesn't slip a 20 in his pocket.
Oh man, I'm on camera.
He's on camera.
Okay, that was 100.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 100.
50, 60, 70, 80, 90. There's 200. Okay,
10,
so the 50-50.
40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 200. Correct.
Okay, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 42, 43, 44,
And whoever wins, whoever
5,
wins.
46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51.
Okay.
So we get $25.
Yeah, we keep the 26.
And you guys,
Okay, I'm going to recount. You said 51. I got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43,
If he stays near my mom, he's
44,
alright.
45,
But if he
46,
takes us out on
47,
trips like this, he
48,
tends to miss
49, 50, 51. Mike, we got 50. We got 51 in the 50-50. So the winner gets.
I'm doing the
20.
Give them the 20. Give them the 26. We'll keep 25.
Okay. Okay.
So tell them you're drawing the 50, and it's worth $26. Their 50-50 is their 50-50 is $25 plus the extra bill.
Okay. All right, guys. We're getting ready to draw the 50-50. It is worth
1, 2, 3,
$25
4,
and an extra
5,
dollar. There was a
6.
total of $51, so we're going to give you the extra buck. Here we go.
I think that makes it 11.
CB.
100. Oh, that video is going to be interesting. Now it's pointed at the ceiling.
Oh.
Thank you for helping.
I'm